everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be making bleeding rainbow paper towels. It's more of an experiment than a craft, so I'm really excited to share it with you guys. This is the final product. As you can see, the marker that I put on the ends of the towels moved and bled to the middle of the towel, which is super cool. So I'll show you how to make this. First we'll start with a couple things that you'll need. I have a pitcher of warm water. I've also got 2 cups. These are a little bit small. You can use bigger ones or even smaller ones if you need to. The size really doesn't matter. I've also got some paper towels. You'll just need one if you're doing one project. And then I've got assorted markers. I like to do the rainbow. I think it's cool to see, you know, the red, orange, yellow, all of that on there. And then I also used a paper towel to color on, just because I didn't want to get my surface dirty. So let's get started. First things first, you're going to tear off a piece of paper towel. So I'm using the paper towel that's a little bit bigger. What you'll want to do is fold this in half, hot dog style. So I'll line up the edges and then crease. There we go. Now with this paper towel, we're going to color right about until here the edges with marker. So I'm going to start with this side. I'm going to start with my red marker. I'm going to make a little line and then draw down and then color in my space. After red, I'm going to move on to orange and do the same exact thing right next to the red. So we'll draw a little line out and then a line down. And then we'll shade in our area. I decided to do this craft out in the greenhouse today because I wanted to get some sun. It's so nice in here. Alright, so our orange patch is good on this side. Next, I'm going to move on to yellow. Same thing. You'll draw a line out like that. And then you'll draw a line down. Just like that. And then we'll fill in our yellow space. Alright, yellow's good on this side. Next, I'm doing green. Line out, line down, and fill it in. Alright, my next color happens to be blue. Same exact thing. Now when you guys are doing this project, feel free to use whatever colors you want. I just chose the rainbow because I think it's pretty. If you wanted to do all shades of blue, if blue's your favorite color, go right for it. Same with pink or purple, anything, it's really up to you. So I'm going to finish with my purple now, it's my last row. So I want it to go all the way to the end. Do you see how there's that white spot? I'm going to fill that all with purple. My purple marker is running out a little bit, so I'm going to have to push pretty hard. Alright, so the first side of our paper towel is done. So we're going to move on to this side. Now we want to make sure that we leave a space of white so that we can see the colors bleed together. So I'm going to do about this much, give it a little bit of a space there. I'm going to start with red and do red right across from my red on the other side. So again, make your line and then make another line. And then you can color in. Alright. After red comes orange. Make a line. And another line. and shade it in. Your rows don't have to be perfectly straight because we just really want the color to bleed. Next, we're going to be using yellow. Line, another line. Go ahead and shade it in. All right. And then we've got green right after yellow. Shade it in. I think green's my favorite color. It's a nice dark green. Got blue. All right, we're getting close to the experimental part. Really excited for you guys to see this. And last but certainly not least, purple. So again, we're gonna fill in this whole white space right here with purple marker. All right, so our paper's colored now, like this. Gonna get rid of the paper plate now. And then I'm gonna take my 2 cups. I'm gonna fill them up pretty much really close to the top with warm water. There we go. And I've got another one here. I'm gonna do the same thing, pretty close to the top. All right, so our cups are ready. Put them a little this way. Cups are ready, and our experimental portion is ready. So what you're gonna do is put this end in water and this end in water. All right, so they're both in the water. You can actually see the ink moving around in the water, which is pretty cool. All right. So, as you can see, the color is moving from end to end. If you keep watching, you'll keep seeing it travel. If we move it a little bit closer, get this more in the water, you'll see they just keep moving closer and closer. See, they're gonna meet in the middle and create a full-on rainbow. They're bleeding together. Oh, the greens met first. My favorite color. Looks like we got yellow. Blue is getting really close, so is orange. Red's good. Wow. So you can kind of see the colors are bleeding together in the green there. And a little bit with the purple and the blue. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this experiment. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of your day.